All.
Namaste everyone. First you have to listen a short story. Okay? So listen carefully. There is an examination hall. Some students are there in the hall. They are writing their paper. Among those students, one is peeping to his friend. એમાંથી એક છોકરો એની બાજુમાં જેનો ફ્રેન્ડ બેઠો છે એમાં બતાવે છે ઊંચો થઈને જુએ છે. Right? Then the another boy which sit beside him is just focusing on his work and writing his paper honestly. Right? One who is peeping, that is student A, and another who is writing, doing his work, is student B. After some time, the bell rang and time is over. Students depart from that examination hall. Now, I am going to ask a question that who is an honest student? Yes. Student B, right? And who is doing cheat or who is cheating in the examination? Yes. Student A. How do you know? Is it cheating or not?
The answer is student A is speaking on his friend. Let's say the student A is a cheater.
He's trying to see some answers from his friend. That's why he is peeping, right? So it is a cheating. So how should we write our paper? આપણે આપણું પેપર કેવી રીતે લખવું છે? How should we write our paper?
We write our letter honestly.
We write our paper honestly. And what is honesty? Or what is an honest student? What do you mean by honest? જે cheating ન કરતા હોય, ईमानदार, right? प्रामाणिक. That is the Gujarati meaning of honest, right?
Yes.
So now my next question, you have to think and answer, right? What will you do if you do not know the answers of some questions in the exam? In your question paper, there are some questions. You don't know the answers of the question. Then what do you do in your exam?
I think very think and answer will not જ્યારે answer ન મળે ને તો એ ઘણો વિચાર છેલ્લે રાખ દઉં બાકીનું બધું પૂરું કરી લઉં પછી ન આવડે તો ખાલી રાખ દઉં નકર તો ઘણો વિચાર મને આવડી જાય એમ પછી જે ક્વેશ્ચન મને ન આવડતો હોય ને that question that I don't know I do the translation in Gujarati of every single word when I understand the question then I write the question.
Then I can see answer. Yes.
First, I complete my paper and જે મને પ્રશ્ન ન આવડતા હોય પછી એના માટે think કરું.
Okay. First, you are trying to attempt the questions which you know, right? Then, the questions which you don't know, you have to think on it. Try to remember the answers and write the answers whatever you know. Okay? Have you ever tried to do cheat in your exam? No. Is it a good thing to do? Yes or no?
No.
Is it a good thing to do during your exam? No. Cheating is not an option, right? Cheating करनी चाहिए नहीं. Okay. Now, yes.
Cheating is a bad habit.
Yes, it is a bad habit. By that, sometimes it happens if you do and you get some marks or you score something nice. But will it help in your future? No. You just did the cheating, so you don't know the concept. So it will not help you for further concepts, right? So it is not a good choice. Now, if your friend asks you some answers during the exam. Will you give answer to him or her? Will you give him or her the answers of the questions which your friend is asking or is seeking for your help? Yes? No? No? Why don't tell your friend?
No.
Helping your friend is a good thing, right? Then why not in exam?
Because if we help our friend, then he do not able to know how to do this and what answer will come. If we tell him, then he only write the answer.
Right. Okay? It is not good for your friend. It is not a help. આ હેલ્પ નથી તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ માટે બરાબર પણ એના માટેની આ ખરાબ વસ્તુ છે તમે એને હેલ્પ કરો તો એને એટ એ ટાઈમ આવડી જાય but then he does not know the answer and does not clear his concepts. Yes. Yes. Loudly. Yes. Now, which preparations are required for examination? How do you prepare? What preparations do you do for your exam?
First, full revision of the whole chapter. Then, read the chapter 2 times, then understand and answer the questions that are given, and do one more time revision. And then write answers only from textbook. We see the questions and write answers only. What is we want now? We have to learn about that more.
Revise, right? Revise or rise. Right? Now, do you know about competitive exams? What are competitive exams? The exams which you appeared, your school exams, are competitive exams?
No.
No. Then
There are normal exams and then there is a board exam. Competitive exam comes in colleges and
okay, competitive means you have to compete with someone. તમારે કોઈની સાથે સ્પર્ધા કરવાની છે, કોઈની સાથે compete કરવાનું છે. Have you ever heard about UPSC, GPSC,
Yes.
JEE, NEET? These exams, have you ever heard of these words? Yes, these all are the civil services exams are competitive exams. Now, do you know what are competitive exams?
Yes, like the exam that we have to do a compete with one student. Types of that exams
Only
are
one student?
so many students. Many
Yes.
students. Like for example, of the competitive exams are NEET, UPSC, etc.
Okay. So, can you tell me the difference between regular examination and competitive examination? What is the difference between these two? Yes.
Regular examination is easy, but the competitive exam was very hard.
Okay, easy as compared to this, right? And it is hard. Okay. Next point.
And in regular examination, we got the points from our textbook or you asked orally. But in competitive exam, we got questions outside of textbooks somewhere.
Okay, so syllabus is defined, yeah? Yes. Here you have the defined syllabus, your defined textbook. Okay, your exam must be from these only, right? Not out of this. But for competitive exams, there is a vast syllabus. બહુ મોટો હોય એનો syllabus, right? So the difference is in syllabus. It is limited or defined. It is vast. Yes.
રેગ્યુલર એક્ઝામ હોય એ ને વીકમાં આવે કોમ્પિટિટિવ એક્ઝામ હોય વર્ષમાં એકવાર આવે
Okay, regular exams છે સ્કૂલમાં અમુક ઇન્ટરવલ ટાઈમમાં લેવાની, વીકલી, મંથલી, every 3 months, and competitive exam છે એ every year, right? એનો ટાઈમ પીરિયડ ક્યારે છે, right? કરેક્ટ.
રેગ્યુલર એક્ઝામિનેશન આપણે રેગ્યુલર એક્ઝામિનેશન ને એટલે આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં વધીએ આ કોમ્પિટિટિવ એક્ઝામ છે એ વેરી આ જોબમાં જ આખો ફેરફાર છે
Yes, it is within your school. Okay? And this is for identify your understanding. Okay? Score your understanding of your syllabus. Regular examination. And competitive examinations are for job placements or for any further admissions in some university. Right? Yes.
In regular exam, we have learned in school and passed the test. But in competitive exam, we got the because we
Or
have passed the
next further your placement. Right? Correct. Now, what do you get if you score good marks? What do you get if you get good marks? If you score good, if you score high.
We get the good job
Yes.
that we
Okay. Inner happiness.
કોમ્પિટિટિવ એક્ઝામ આપણે આઈએએસ આઈપીએસ અને આઈએફએસ જેવી સર્વિસીસમાં નામ કરી શકીએ
Yes.
પછી અગર આપણે તેમાં ગુડ સ્કોર કરીએ તો આપણે છે ને બહુ બધા તો વિદ્યાર્થીને નોકરી કરાય ને એ આપણે કરે છે
Okay. What do you get if you score highest marks in your recitation rounds, in your exams? What do you get then? Yes. Right.
happy but no more than competitive exam.
What do you get? તમને શું મળે? In roundમાં તમે highest marks score કરો, then what do you get? Certificates, right? Certificates, sometimes medals, sometimes prize, right? So this is your chapter about prize.
And one more thing that we get from parents
Appreciation. Appreciation. What? Appreciation, right? So this is your chapter about the prize, the Abraham prize. Right? Now, first I am going to write a question on the board. Then I am going to speak a line. You have to listen it carefully. First you read the questions on the board. Okay? Then listen to me carefully. There is no need of your book right now. Okay? Just listen.